What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where we cover all of the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. It's been a while since I covered this project on the channel, man. I got love from a lot of people in the community, in the space. You know, huge accounts like Crypto Skull that absolutely has been crushing it. You know, bull run comes, Crypto Skull about to be in the Fortune 500. He about to be in Forbes. Right, and he's super bullish on this project, and the community showed a lot of love to me. And what is great is that, you know, this project has kept going. The community has stayed strong. The website being updated, the constant time being spoken about, the constant amount of time that has, you know, this project is kept being, you know, talked about, and awareness being spread from top influencers in the Ethereum space like Jama Pelson, Skull, and many others. Right, we checking out Sanin Inu, the centralization killer. As always, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile, guys. Now, they updated the website from the last time we checked it out, and they have been absolutely crushing it. Sanin community, you guys have been crushing it. Sunny Inu is a protest against centralization. Munoshi developed Sunny as an experiment in decentralization on the basis of the Ethereum blockchain. The Shiba Inu killer was just the beginning. Sunny Inu was born to change the balance of power in the world order. The recent political and economic crises force people to look for new opportunities to gain freedom and for a chance to exist in it. Sunny is an absolutely secure view for everyone, aimed at building common future world for which there's a technological opportunity right now. Sunny Inu belongs to humankind. So yeah, guys, Sunny's mission is to combat centralization, and I fully am behind that, man. When CBDCs, central bank digital currencies, start being unveiled, even the richest, right, if they don't have some type of exposure to crypto, my thought process is, if they just have all their assets in fiat, my thought process is, you know, it's gonna be a sad world for even some of the richest people that don't have no exposure to crypto. And you know, Sunny, with its goal to combat centralization, you know, imagine CBDCs not unlock, but get unveiled, and everyone has to use them. You go to the store, you try to buy some meat, you try to buy some steak, chicken, you know, they say you exceed your carbon emissions. You can't buy any more of these said items, right, because of the environment. And they literally freeze your accounts, guys, program your accounts, adjusting your money. These are the type of things that will happen, and this is why I've been so bullish on crypto. Even if I've taken L's and gotten wrecked and lost money, I don't care. I will remain bullish on crypto because of the aspect of being able to control my own money and the freedom behind that. And you know, Sanin Inu could be a store of value for all we know, just like Shiba was, right? Shiba is, not was, is. Shiba's probably more than likely gonna be always there in the space along with Doge, right? And Sunny could be one of those ones that, you know, is truly like a decentralized, you know, store of value, even though people just see it as a meme coin, right? So they have utility for the okay, so when we scroll through, we'll see everything. My bad. Let's go through it. Zero taxes, all LP tokens burned, contract renounced. You know, the only people, like, you know, from since a while back, when we take a look at the chart, you know, the Sunny chart can't get wrecked. Like, honestly, the only way it gets wrecked is if people give up on the project. But the community has proven itself that they ain't giving up on this one. A new look at decentralization. Centralization is hunting for your money. Baseless speculations allow centralized groups of individuals to enrich themselves at the expense of the ordinary people. They take away your present under the pretext of the future. They lure you into their schemes under the pretext of mass adoption. Centralization is a pandemic. Decentralization will really become possible only if the underlying motives are selfless. This applies to both those who are created to the vision, and to those who accepted it. Together we can change the world. Sunny Inu is your right choice. Sunny is your new future. A new look at the world. Many believe that decentralization means separation. This is absolutely not the case. Decentralization is what will unite the world in the future. Right now, centralization considers people a source of new income day by day. Corporations are getting richer, feeding on energy and taking away everything we have. Man, this is speaking to my soul right now. Sanin community, because it's not a team, it's just community run, right? Sanin community, this is speaking to my soul, man. You wake up one morning and the government tries to hit you with all kinds of crazy taxes, man. Speaking to my soul. Our ideas, thoughts, freedom, and time. If you want a better world for yourself and your children, Sunny Inu is your right choice. A new look at blockchain. Day by day, technologies are getting more and more complicated. The blockchain technologies lose their true value in developers' hands. Developers must improve and create technologies, and people must decide how these technologies will be used in real life. Blockchain is great in itself. Now it's time when blockchain can enter our familiar world and change it. Sunny Inu is your right choice. Value. In addition to solid philosophy, a thing that is meant to change the world must have a real underlying value. Since Sunny doesn't have any centralized team, any person can add value to the project. And that's a fact. This project has been holding out so well just off the community, and that's it. Just the community. There's no person that is in control of this project. The first ones to create utility for Sunny were Civilization. Next, Milkshake Squad joined the decentralized group of developers. In addition to many developers, Sunny can attract the attention of different communities. So literally, it's just developers of their own choice that decided to help build and develop Sunny. The truth is revealed over time. Time brings changes. Until right here, I think is the sister token, was created by civilization developers as a reward token, became the soul of Sunny and hope for a better tomorrow. Any technology needs mass adoption. Everyone tries to do it among the adult generation. Milkshake Squad sees a completely different chance. Tails Mania is the world's first kids-friendly blockchain project. Okay, it will help children to comprehend what blockchain is. Nice. To become financially literate, as well as earn more income through gameplay anywhere in the world. Not only children but also adults who want to learn the basis of blockchain and decentralization will find Tails Mania useful. Crazy stuff. Nice. Very good stuff. And of course the Sunny farm, Sanshi. Mass turns into a Sanshi, the world of decentralization. Sanshi, it's an NFT project. Sakura. Okay, Sakura will contain. Okay, so it's a social network. A lot of stuff got built out for the Sunny ecosystem, man. What has been going on since I made a video, man? Yeah, y'all been crushing it. That's what. Basic knowledge, blockchain, super app, social network, built-in wallet, decentralized store, music app, much more. Smart coin. That is absolutely crazy. The Zen game as well. Y'all building a blockchain game as well. Crazy stuff, man. Absolutely crazy stuff. See, y'all also have merch shop. All of this stuff. I like the new website, I gotta say. I like the new website, man. Enter the Sunny experience. Website is loading for it right now. Let's take a look at the Twitter. 7,000 followers on Twitter. No, Twitter is always active. Yep. You see this man, Jama Pelson, alpha of the day, Sunny. One thing you must never ever do as a degenerate on this app is fade Crypto Skull. I agree. Don't fade Crypto Skull. I think he called Millionaires pretty early, and I didn't get into that. That was ladies, the Millionaires meme coin. I didn't get into that, man. Don't fade skull, man. When he says a token is going to moon, you best believe the token is mooning. Been holding Sanin for a while now, adding on dips. When Inu season starts, I'll be ready. Oh yeah, Inu season about to come back with a force, man. Especially after all that Pepe hype. Inu season gonna come back with a force. I'm not sure what's gonna make it come back, but eventually it will. Signing the new world. This is Skull right here, getting massive traction again. Utilities heating up again, and now imagine a top DAO plus utility. The new world announcement update. And this is the thing, I covered the project a long time ago, months ago, and they still building, man. They still developing. Okay, so they got their merch shop. Nice stuff, man. And they got so much utility built out for the project. And right here we go to 12 hour. Let's take a look at the 12-hour chart. Nobody really talking about it other than like Skull and Jama Pelson and other like top influencers, but not like the top YouTuber or top names. You see how all the top names were talking about Pepe? Sunny's still kind of underrated. Look at how the chart has been holding up, man. It's just been holding this 4 mil range because they just got diamond hands in this project. They got people that just believe in this one, bro. So yeah, bullish on the project, Sunny Inu community. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. Thank y'all so much for watching. Your first time watching it, let me get your thoughts as well. Also, man, if you guys want to support the channel, I really appreciate any support. Please become a Patreon, man. I'm building up this thing from ground zero. So if you can become a patron, only $10 a month for access to my personal Discord, exclusive content, early access to content as well. And once again, guys, thank y'all so much for watching. Sanin Inu community, show some love to this video. You know, get it to 10,000 views, 1,000, 5,000. Get it to some crazy views, man. And yeah, thank y'all so much, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.